Hello friends, Duncan here. In this fourth and final episode, we travel from the remote island of El Isolete all the way on the east end of the archipelago and return back to La Paz. When we get back to the harbor, we run across a few interesting things, so please stay tuned to the end, and I hope you enjoy.
We just got finished snorkeling sea lions at El Isolete, which is a small island to the east side of Espiritu Santo, and now we're coming to a beach where we're going to have lunch and warm up a little bit. Beautiful location. They've got a couple different companies have camps set up here where you can have a little excursion and kind of glamping with tents, beds, sleeping bags, bathrooms, kitchen, etc.
somewhat fragile, so every time we have strong rains and winds, there's always little pieces breaking down and falling off until we get something cool like the mast.
Hello friends, Duncan here. Just finished up a great day on a trip out to Espiritu Santo Island, which is an archipelago which consists of a couple of different islands. Went on the tour through IES Travel. They did a great job. Were very communicative in the reservation process and also confirming the exact date. Had a total of 5 guests on the trip, and then we had the captain, Captain Juan, and then we had a guide with us by the name of Paula, and she did an excellent job really explaining the different islands and was very knowledgeable about the wildlife. Highlight, of course, was the sea lion colony that's out at El Isolet Island, and really had a great time. Water was kind of cold. IES Travel did provide wetsuits for us, and certainly that made it manageable to get through, but very healthy sea lion colony. Super trip. It was a full day today. We left at about 8:30 this morning and just finished up here at 5:30 p.m. So sun's going down here behind me, but really had a great trip. Highly recommend it. Once again, IES Travel. Thanks for watching. Take care.